everyone, my name is Consuelo Kamura at Ian Bongonita in my YouTube account.
And also, I'm Rita Kazan. And I'm Emily Sarah. Hi. And right this moment, we're going to sing a song entitled Heaven by Brian and So. Guys, you ready?
Yes, of course. Oh, thinking about a younger years, there was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take away from me. We've been down the road before, but that's over now. You keep me coming back for more. And maybe you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, it's hard to believe we're in heaven. Love is all that I need, and I put it there in your heart. Isn't hard to see we're in heaven. Oh, once in your life you find someone who will turn your world around, bring you up when you're feeling down. Nothing can change what you meant to me. Just a lie that I can say. Just hold me now, 'cause love will last away. Maybe you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. Love is all that I need, and I find it there in your heart. It's too hard to see we're in heaven. Thank you for watching.
Hi.
Boom!
Boom, boom.
Ang glabo yun.
Oh, grabe, di ba tabang?
Ano yun?
Ay, kaya dahil.